How to disable autoplay on Spotify. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Spotify, log into your account, click on your profile located at top left corner of your screen, which is beside all. After that, simply click on Settings and Privacy, which is the last option below Recent. After you click on that, click on Playback. In settings, you'll find playback on third option, click on playback, and then in here you'll find autoplay. Turn this off. Make sure the white circle is in the left side and not the right side. In this way. And as you can see, autoplay has been turned off and you're good to go. This is how to disable autoplay on Spotify. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.